And we're back to learning Illustrator in the year day 105. Let me show the vertical text on the path tool. We'll create a rectangle, and the regular type on the path tool can be activated here. Hover over the edge, left click, and then you can see the text is oriented on the path. There's also a vertical type on path tool. Works the same way. So basically everything is the same, but you can see the text is oriented 90 degrees rotated. Let me make that a bit bigger. So these lorem ipsum words, they're vertically aligned now. Let me show you that on an ellipse. So again, everything works the same here as with the regular type on a path tool that I've explained in the last couple of videos. If you get lost a little bit, just watch the first word, lorem, and ipsum dolor. It starts on the right hand side, L-O-R-E-M, and then follows the ipsum dolor. So this is the way these words are now oriented. And once more at the top, you have all of these text properties to adjust it. And this is how you can use the vertical text on the path tool in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.